What if I told you that Tesla, the trailblazing electric vehicle giant, is about to embark on an electrifying journey in 2023, defying its own ambitious expectations? They've boldly declared their intent to go above and beyond their previously estimated capital expenditure range of $7 billion to $9 billion. But why, you might ask? The answer lies in Tesla's unwavering commitment to supercharging production at its various factories and introducing new models that will redefine the automotive industry landscape. One of the most eagerly awaited developments is the imminent release of the revamped Model 3 compact sedan and the highly anticipated Blade Runner-inspired Cybertruck. These game-changing vehicles are set to hit the market in the last 3 months of the year. However, this momentous occasion comes after a period of factory retooling during the third quarter, which temporarily affected deliveries and impacted earnings. This move represents a significant shift in Tesla's strategy, as the company had initially been known for its staunch opposition to advertising. But as we delve deeper into Tesla's evolution, it becomes clear that change is a constant in their pursuit of innovation and excellence. To truly understand the magnitude of Tesla's decision to increase its capital expenditure, we must first appreciate the extraordinary journey this company has embarked upon. Founded by Elon Musk in 2003, Tesla set out to revolutionize the automotive industry by creating electric vehicles that were not only environmentally friendly, but also technologically advanced and aesthetically appealing. Tesla's journey can be likened to a roller coaster ride, filled with highs and lows. From the release of their groundbreaking Roadster in 2008 to the challenges of scaling up production, the company has consistently pushed boundaries. This dedication to innovation and sustainability has earned Tesla a dedicated global fan base. The heart of Tesla's success lies in its commitment to pushing the envelope. In 2023, Tesla aims to take another giant leap forward by exceeding its capital expenditure target. This substantial investment will be directed towards enhancing production capacity and introducing new models, solidifying the company's position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. The revamped Model 3 compact sedan, a cornerstone of Tesla's product lineup, promises to offer even more features and improvements. With its sleek design, impressive range, and cutting-edge technology, the Model 3 has been a favorite among Tesla enthusiasts. The upcoming enhancements are expected to further elevate its appeal. Perhaps one of the most intriguing developments is the Blade Runner-inspired Cybertruck. This bold and futuristic design has captured the imagination of many, promising a departure from traditional truck aesthetics. With its unique features and robust performance capabilities, the Cybertruck is set to make a significant impact when it finally hits the streets. However, Tesla's journey to this pivotal moment hasn't been without its challenges. The third quarter of 2023 saw the company engage in factory retooling, a necessary step to accommodate the production of these new models. While this temporarily impacted deliveries and earnings, it is a testament to Tesla's dedication to continuous improvement. In addition to expanding production capacity and introducing new models, Tesla has surprised many by opening the door to advertising. This decision represents a significant shift from the company's previous stance. For years, Tesla had been adamant about not engaging in traditional advertising methods. Instead, the company relied on word-of-mouth marketing and the allure of its innovative products to attract customers. Now, with this change of heart, Tesla is signaling its readiness to explore new avenues for growth and brand promotion. While the specifics of their advertising strategy remain to be seen, it is clear that Tesla is embracing change and adaptability as it seeks to reach a broader audience and solidify its position in the market. In conclusion, Tesla's announcement of exceeding its capital expenditure target for 2023 marks a pivotal moment in the company's evolution, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global leader in electric vehicles. Tesla has consistently demonstrated its commitment to pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo. The impending release of the revamped Model 3 and the Blade Runner-inspired Cybertruck, along with the decision to open the door to advertising, underscores Tesla's determination to remain at the forefront of innovation and sustainability. Stay tuned for Tesla's electric future. Like, share, and subscribe to witness automotive evolution.